So now let's see how we can enable our reading pane inside of Gmail. So over here you can see that I have a list of mails, and then if I were to go around and click on any one of the mail right here, then it opens up in this full page right here. But what I want is I want all of the lists to be shown, and then I want I want the reading pane to be opened up on the right hand side. So in that case, what you can do is you can go around onto the quick settings by clicking on the gear icon right here. So once you do that, you can scroll down, and over here you can see the reading pane option. And here you can go around and click on, let's say for example, right of inbox. And then what happens is that you got this mail right here, and then you got the reading area over here on the right. So if I were to go around and click on any one of the mails right here, you can see that the mail does not open up in an entire, it does not actually take the entire space, but you see it over here on the reading pane on the right hand side. You can still go around and access out the full screen mode by clicking on this as well. But if I were to go around over here onto the quick setting once more, and then I can go around and click on below inbox, then what happens is that you got the reading pane on the bottom hand side now. If I were to go around and click, you can see the bottom hand side just like this. You can go around and click on the gear icon right here, and then click on no split as well, and you can see this just like this. You can see the list right there. And that is how you can go around and enable our reading pane inside of Gmail so that you can open up mails directly as you see the list at the same time. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.